Hi everybody, aloha. I wanted to sing a song for you called HALEAKALＡ. So I know we're in isolation and it can be a little lonely, especially for those of us that are by ourselves in isolation. I haven't heard that many people talk about it, but I'm sure there's quite a few of you that are by yourselves, just like me. I'm pretty fortunate because I'm a single mom, but I get my girls every other week. But I'm not gonna lie, during those weeks that I'm by myself, it can get pretty lonely. I hope you're keeping yourself busy. And so I wanted to dedicate this song to you folks and the rest of you that are listening. Haleakala.